Welcome to this training on dashboard overview. In this first slide, we're focusing on the dashboard, which provides critical insights including the status of invoices, leads, project proposals, outstanding invoices, and the payment status of invoices. You can see how many invoices are awaiting payment, the number of leads converted, ongoing projects, and their respective statuses. This overview allows you to quickly assess your financial and operational standing. Moving on, let's take a look at the Task Health Monitor. Here you can see the health score, which indicates the overall status of your tasks. Pay close attention to the AI recommendations provided, which suggest actions based on the current tasks. Additionally, the sales pipeline value is displayed, showcasing both total and accepted values, helping you gauge your upcoming revenue. Now, let's discuss conversion metrics. This section highlights important data such as invoices needing follow-up, critical jobs that are pending, and the status of pending installs and repairs. Tracking these conversion metrics is essential to ensure no opportunities are missed and critical tasks are managed promptly. Remember, invoices needing follow-up will require your immediate attention to maintain cash flow. Next, we will explore the Workflow Monitor and an overview of leads. In this section, you can manage and track your workflows effectively. The Leads overview allows you to see the progress and status of every lead, from new contacts to those that have converted. Monitoring these aspects ensures that your pipeline remains healthy and productive. Let's now look at project status and recent activity. This area helps you keep track of your projects, highlighting how many are in progress, completed, or on hold. Additionally, you'll find insights into recent activities that have occurred, providing context to your project management efforts. Staying aware of project status is crucial for timely updates and client satisfaction. Finally, in the Articles Videos section, you'll find resources designed to develop your skills further. This includes a library of articles and videos available to enhance your knowledge. Make use of these resources to improve your understanding and expertise in the subject matter. That covers the basics of our training. Thanks for watching.